Whether you create content for a living or just have a passion for visual storytelling, finding the right tool to express your vision is crucial. When it comes to capturing aerial content, the right tool must combine the precision of high-resolution imaging and the power of a solid, stable aircraft. As a creative professional, you need to capture aerial imagery in captivating detail. With the precision of the Typhoon H+ 1-inch high-aperture C23 camera, you can confidently deliver 4K ultra-high-definition video and stunning 20-megapixel still images to exceed your client's expectations. You can depend on the power, stability, and safety of the Typhoon H+ 6-rotor hex airframe. Get the job done right every time, even in the windiest of conditions. Fly with peace of mind that in case of emergency, your Yuneec Hexacopter can safely return to home on only 5 rotors. Intelligent flight modes like Journey and Orbit make it easy to capture dynamic shots with ease. A quick tap of the button and you can create advanced cinematic shots efficiently and reliably. Provide your clients professional quality aerial imagery with the Typhoon H+ 6-rotor platform. You've just located the ideal vantage point. Now it's time to get airborne and capture the beauty of this place. Don't let any obstacles get in your way. The Typhoon H+ with Intel RealSense technology automatically navigates obstacles, allowing you to focus on capturing the forest without hitting the trees. Looking to add that action shot to best tell your story? Follow Me mode, combined with Intel RealSense technology, provides a safe way to capture your subject in action. With its high precision, all-new 1-inch sensor camera and unmatched flight stability, the Typhoon H+ is a powerful tool for today's creative professional.
At Autel Robotics, we push the boundaries of modern flight, exploring the unknown with unparalleled performance. This is the Evo 2 series, ushering in a new era of aerial shooting. Evo 2, the world's first 8K foldable drone, brings you unmatched video resolution and 48-megapixel stills to capture the world with more detail than ever before. Featuring 10-bit A-log color profile, Evo 2 records up to 1 billion colors. Its stunning 4K HDR video stands out with increased dynamic range, delivering top-of-the-line image quality that you'll covet after experiencing. The powerful phase detection autofocus function and 120 FPS slow-motion video capabilities are an ideal combination for high-speed shooting. Thanks to 4 times lossless zoom and defogging mode, Evo 2 is perfect for capturing your subject from a distance without missing a single detail. If Evo 2 is all about detail, then Evo 2 Pro is all about professional users. It commands a powerful 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the f2.8 adjustable aperture, capturing stunning aerial photos with brilliant color and controlled lighting. With excellent low-light performance, Evo 2 Pro provides incomparable night view footage. Equipped with a FLIR camera, Evo 2 Dual provides visible and thermal imaging with remarkable performance, perfect for commercial and first responder use. Featuring Autel Robotics' latest flight control system, the Evo 2 series offers an unparalleled flight experience. So intuitive, every flight seems effortless. Our new airframe is covered with 12 optical cameras, achieving stunning omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by creating an accurate 3D map of the environment in real time with automatic intelligent path planning. Aided by a dual-core powered object detection system, Evo 2 recognizes up to 64 subjects at once, allowing for immediate pinpoint tracking. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, a maximum speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and a 9-kilometer range, the sky is no longer the limit. Unmatched performance, resolution, and computer vision. The future is now the present. This is Evo 2 Series.
Welcome to the official unboxing video for Yuneec's Mantis Q. The Mantis Q comes in two packaging options depending on the model you purchase. We will be unboxing the standard version. When you open the box, you'll see a documents envelope. You'll find a content sheet, quick start guide, and other general information documents inside. Inside the box, the Mantis Q is secured under the foam sheet in a custom cut carrier that keeps the drone protected. The Mantis Q's foldable arms enable easy setup and compact storage while on the go. The Yuneec Mantis Q comes with a 16GB micro SD card installed to help you capture stunning 4K videos and images. With the drone and casing removed, you'll then be able to remove the controller from the package. The controller has foldable antennas which communicate to the drone, and a foldable latch to install your mobile device. The controller also has a USB port to connect your mobile device and a USB-C port for charging the controller. The charging accessories for the Mantis Q come in two separate boxes. The first box contains a power supply for the charger, a wall plug power adapter, and a USB-C type charger cable for the controller. The second, more narrow box contains the battery dock, which is capable of charging 3 batteries consecutively. You'll hear a beep when the battery is fully charged, and the next battery in line will begin charging. Your Mantis Q comes with a battery installed that is charged to 50%. To remove the battery for charging, press both button clips and simply pull the battery out. Finally, the last box contains a full set of replacement propellers and replacement screws. And there you have it, the Yuneec Mantis Q allows your creativity to take flight, so check it out. For other tutorials and unique content, please visit yuneec.com or subscribe to the YouTube channel.